Okay, now we're going to go over the parts. Here we have a lumbar vertebrae, and over here we have a thoracic vertebrae. Alright, so this is the spinous process on the lumbar vertebrae. Here is the spinous process on the thoracic vertebrae. Alright, if we go back to our lumbar, these are the superior articular process. So superior means above, articular means it's going to join something, and remember, a process is anything that sticks out. So you have spinous process, superior articular process, then we can move to the sides and see the transverse process. The hole in the center is the vertebral foramen. Remember, foramen means hole, and this is a vertebrae. This is where the spinal cord is going to run. Here we can see the body, or the centrum. Alright, so now we're going to be finding the inferior articular process, and we can see this when we join it to another lumbar vertebrae, like so. So these are the inferior articular process. Notice the inferior articular process will articulate with the superior articular process of another vertebrae. And so when you're feeling your vertebrae and you feel it all bumpy, what you're actually feeling are all these spinous processes. Now let's look at the thoracic vertebrae. Here, if we look back at our spinous process, it kind of looks like a giraffe. This would be the nose. These would be the transverse processes, which would be the ears of the giraffe. These are the superior articular process. Those would be the horns of the giraffe. Then we can see the vertebral foramen, the body or centrum. Now for the inferior articular process, we can see these right here.